Good afternoon, students. Dear students, I welcome you in this virtual studio Sundargarh. Dear students, today we are going to learn about the noun phrase. Students, you must have learned earlier about the parts of speech which includes noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjection, preposition. Students, you all should know all these things. If you will know all these things, then it will be easier for you to understand about the noun phrase. ପିଲାମାନେ ତମେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଭାବରେ ଆଗରୁ ପଢ଼ିଛ ନାଉନ୍ ବିଷୟରେ, ପାର୍ଟସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ତମେ ପଢ଼ିଛ, ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ଆମେ ନାଉନ୍, ପ୍ରୋନାଉନ୍, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection ଏଇସବୁ ବିଷୟରେ ଆମେ ଆଗରୁ ପଢ଼ିଛୁ। ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଇସବୁ ତମେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରିବି ଥିବ ଆଗରୁ, ଆଉ ଆଗରୁ ବି ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କରୁଥିବ। ଏଇସବୁ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିସ୍ କଲେ ତମେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଭାବରେ ନାଉନ୍ ଫ୍ରେଜ୍ ବିଷୟରେ ବୁଝିପାରିବ। Students, in this class, first we will discuss about, or we can first we will revise about the noun or parts of speech. Then we will learn about the phrase, noun phrase, about the determiners, modifiers. Then we will learn about the structure of noun phrase. Then we will wind up the class with some question answer. ପିଲାମାନେ ତମେ ତମ ନିଜର ପେନ୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଖାତା ବାହାର କର, ଆଉ ଯାହା ବି ପଢ଼ା ହେଉଥିବ ତାହା ତମେ ନୋଟ୍ କରିବ। ଲାଷ୍ଟ ତମକୁ ହୋମୱାର୍କ ବି ଦିଆଯିବ, ସେଇଟାକୁ କରିକି ତମ ଟିଚର ମାନଙ୍କୁ, ତମ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଟିଚରଙ୍କୁ ତମେ ଦେଖେଇବ। So students, let us start our class. Dear students, so today we are going to learn about the noun phrase. So here is a question for you. Okay, you know about the noun. It is a, the parts of speech in which we have learned about the noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, interjection, conjunction, etc. So students, here is the question for you. What is noun? You must know the definition of the noun and example of noun, so that easily you can understand about the noun phrase. So let us ask the question to Upendra School. BS High School students answer the question. What is noun?
A noun is a name of a person, place, things, and an animal.
Yes. Can you give the mic to some other student so that he can also answer? Can you pass the mic to some other student so that he can also answer?
A noun is a name of a person, place, things, and animals.
Yes, very good. So students, can you give the example of a person, name of a person? Can you give the example? Anybody from BS High School? Yes, can you give the example? Example of a person.
Avinash.
Yes. Yes. Good. So, students, very good, very good. So, as you see, students, here is a question for you. What is noun, right? So, so you see here, the answer is a noun is the name of the person, place, thing, and an animal. Yes, students. So you know the example of person. It can be the name of your teacher, okay, name of anybody, name of your parents, name of your friends. Okay, so you know the name of the person. The meaning you know already. Now you see the name of any place. You see the name of the thing, name of the animal. So next we will see some of the examples of a place, thing and animal. Okay, next you see students here the example of person. Maria is the name of the person. Ali, name of a person. John is the name of the person. Scarlett is the name of the person. Then next you see example of places. Okay, so park, school, Asia, Lahore. These are the name of places. Things. Okay, so the things which are around you, you can see the table, pen, book, phone, and in your class you see there are so many tables, benches, pen, paper. All these things are the example of what? Things. Next you see animals. Okay, animals. Some examples are given here: cat, goat, lion, parrot. Okay, so here you see students, I have given you the example of animals. It does not mean that only the names of animals, wild animals or domestic animals, you will the name of animals you will say, but we can also take the name of some birds, some creatures, right? Okay, next we see yes students, here you can see the question, what is phrase, right? So a group of words which make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. Students, I repeat here, a group of words which make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. So you can see here some of the examples: in the earth, on a wall, of great beauty, in the corner. Okay, the tiny mouse on the table. Okay, these are the example of phrase. Students, you see these are the phrases which is given here. You know the definition: a group of words which make sense but not complete sense is called phrase. It does not give complete meaning. Okay, so these are known as phrases, or it does not have any subject. Okay, next students, we are going to learn now about the noun phrase. A noun phrase consists of a noun and other related words, usually modifiers and determiners, which modify the noun. Noun phrase makes the noun more specific. I repeat, a noun phrase consists of a noun and other related words, usually modifiers and determiners. Yes, students, you must be thinking what is modifiers and determiners. Yes, we will learn later on. You see here, first you must learn properly the definition of the noun phrase, and you can note it down, the definition of the noun phrase. A noun phrase consists of, okay, noun and other related words, usually modifiers and determiners, which modify the noun. Okay, noun phrase makes the noun more specific. So next you see students, the noun phrase. So it is made up of noun plus modifiers. The modifiers can be placed after or before noun. So here we can see some of the examples. He is wearing a nice red shirt. I repeat the example. He is wearing a nice red shirt. So here a nice red shirt. Okay, this is the phrase. Okay, he is wearing a nice red shirt. So he is wearing what? How we can find out object? Okay, we have to ask a question: what and whom? So he is wearing what? A nice red shirt. So here we get the phrase or object, that is a nice red shirt is the noun phrase. Next you see students, the little bird, okay, is flying in the sky. Okay, as noun oblique subject, right? So this is the subject of this sentence, the little bird. Okay, this is the noun phrase in this sentence. And you see, sometimes nouns used as a single word are also called noun phrase. I repeat, sometimes nouns used as single words are also called noun phrase. Examples: tigers live in dense forest. है देख बाघ मैंने घंच अरण्य रुहंती. Trees provide us oxygen. गछ मैंने आमको अम्लजान दे थांती है. तो तुम देखि पारुथुवो tigers and trees, these are the single words. They are also known as what? The noun phrase. Next you see, students, we are going to learn about the determiners. So you see here, determiners are used in front of nouns to indicate whether you are referring to something specific or something of a particular type. I repeat, determiners are used in front of nouns to indicate whether you are referring to something specific or something of a particular type. So these are the example of determiners. You see demonstratives, these, that, these, those, okay, possessive adjective, my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Students, this indicates possessive adjective. This all the examples indicates ownership. Next you see, students, quantifiers. Quantifiers. The examples are some, any, every, more, much, few, little. Okay, quantifiers indicate more or less about the what? About the noun. You see articles. Next we will we are learning about the articles. You know about the definite articles, isn't it? And indefinite articles, a and the. Then ordinals. Okay, first, second, third, last, next. Numbers. Okay, so you see here ordinal numbers: first, second, third, last, next. Cardinal numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 50. Next you see distributive determiners: every, each, either, neither, both, all, half. So here we learn about the determiners, okay, which is part of noun phrase. And determiners are the words that comes at the beginning of the noun. Yes, these are the main points. Okay, you can write it down. Words that comes at the beginning of the noun. Okay, determiners introduces. Okay, introduces noun. Then it determines nouns. Then it indicates whether a noun is specific or general. तो पिला माने आगु आमे एबे पढ़िबा मॉडिफायर विषय रे हला जेउ शब्द गुडी को नाउन विषय रे तो नाउन विषय रे अतिरिक्त सूचना बा एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन दियंती सेही शब्द गुडी को मॉडिफायर कहा जाए हला. तो तमे एग्जांपल देखि पारुथबो. Flowers are beautiful. Okay, flower is noun, are is helping verb. Okay, beautiful is adjective. The red flowers are beautiful. Okay, so here we get the phrase the red flowers. The red flowers in the pot are beautiful. Okay, तो देखो देखो देखि पारुथबो छुआ माने एटी तीनटा एग्जांपल्स अछि हला. तो देखि पारुथबो द थर्ड एग्जांपल तमे देखो बोलो कि the red flowers in the pot are beautiful. Okay, गोटिए वाक्य रे मेन नाउन पूर्वरु जे अतिरिक्त सूचना दिए ताहाको प्री मॉडिफायर्स कहा जाए हला. नेक्स्ट देखो गोटिए वाक्य रे मेन नाउन परे जे अतिरिक्त सूचना दिए ताहाको पोस्ट मॉडिफायर कहा जाए. तो तमे देखि पारुथबो एठी एग्जांपल अछि. ए थर्ड एग्जांपल टा तमे देखि पारुथबो एठी हला. तो देखो द रेड फ्लावर्स इन द पॉट आर ब्यूटीफुल. ओके, एठारे द रेड हेउछि प्री मॉडिफायर एवं तमे देखि पारुथबो इन द पॉट. ओके, इन द पॉट हेउछि पोस्ट मॉडिफायर्स. तो पिला माने आमे टिके मॉडिफायर विषय रे जानिबा ए वीडियो द्वारा. ପିଲାମାନେ ତମେ ଦେଖିଲ ଛୋଟ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟେ ଯୋଉଟାକି modifier ବିଷୟରେ ଥିଲା. So you know students that modifiers and determiners are part of noun phrase. So next we study, you see here, noun phrases makes the noun more specific. Okay, so you see, here is two pictures you can see. Two pictures are here. Here is a picture of woman, and here you can see the picture of a woman who is wearing a black dress. So the mysterious woman in black, the example is the mysterious woman in black. Okay, so you see here, woman is the noun, okay, isn't it? And the mysterious is the noun phrase. So the is the determiner, mysterious is the adjective. Okay, that's why, because of this, the phrase, okay, the noun is becoming more specific. Okay, the noun phrase makes the noun more specific. The same example I give you here. Okay, noun phrase makes the noun more specific. Okay, so you see here, there are so many cars. Okay, different colorful cars are, you can see here. You see the green spotty car. The example is the green spotty car. Okay, the green spotty is modifier and car is the noun. So a noun phrase is made up of modifier plus noun. Next you see noun phrase determiner. Okay, then noun. So here is the example. Our friends have bought a house in the village. Okay, our is determiner, friends is noun. So this line is noun phrase. Next you see, those houses are very expensive. Those is determiner, house is noun. So ए घर गुड़ाक है बहुत दामिका. Example रे आमे देखुछु, those houses are very expensive. So those houses are the noun phrase in the sentence. Next you see, adjective plus noun. Here is the example. Our closest friends have just bought a new house in the village. Okay, so you see closest, adjective, friends, noun. So this is the noun phrase. Bought a new house, a new house. Okay, so this is the noun phrase. New is the what, adjective, house is the noun. So here we get two noun phrases in a single sentence. Next you see noun, how noun phrases are made. Quantifier plus determiner plus noun. So here is the example. All those children are waiting for food. All those children are waiting for food. Here you can see so many children are waiting for food. So all is quantifier, or you can say also predeterminer. Then those is the determiner, children, noun. So all those children are the noun phrase in the sentence. Next you see, a noun phrase can be just a noun or a pronoun. Okay, students, a noun phrase can be just a noun or a pronoun. People like to have money. Okay, next example you see, I am tired. Okay, a noun used as a noun phrase. So you see people, okay, it's a single word. Okay, so it is used as a noun phrase. I am tired. Okay, I is a pronoun used as a noun phrase. Next you see the order. Okay, you see determiner, adjective, noun as modifiers, then head noun. You see here the example, a heavy iron gate. A you can say, okay, article. Okay, you see heavy, iron. This is heavy is adjective. Okay, and iron is the modifier. Gate is the head noun. Students, next example you see, noun phrases can function in several different ways in a sentence. A noun phrase acting as a subject. The yellow house is for sale. Okay, the yellow house is the subject, and it is the noun phrase. Next example, there are many examples here. The glistening snow covered the field. The glistening snow is the noun phrase. Playing in the rain is one of my nephew's favorite activities. Okay, so here playing in the rain is the noun phrase. Okay, the camera never lies. The camera is the noun phrase. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Okay, so the quick brown fox is the noun phrase here. A noun phrase can be a direct object. Okay, I want a skateboard. Okay, a skateboard is the direct object in the sentence. So I already told you how you have to find the direct object. You have to ask what. Okay, and whom. I want what I want. Okay, that is the direct object. So this is the noun phrase in the sentence, a skateboard. Next you see, should we buy the yellow house? Okay, the yellow house is the direct object of this sentence. Okay, should we buy what? What do you want to buy? Okay, the yellow house is the direct object and the yellow house is the noun phrase in this sentence. Next you see, a noun phrase can be the object of a preposition. Rohit rode on a skateboard. Okay, a skateboard is an object of the preposition on. Okay, here you see next example. Karan lives in the yellow house. The yellow house. Okay, the yellow house. The yellow house is an object of the preposition in. Next you see, a noun phrase can be an indirect object. Okay, Radha gave the little boy a candy. Okay, so the little boy is an indirect object of the sentence. So how we can you see there are direct object and indirect object in the sentence. Radha gave whom. Okay, we are asking the question whom she has given the candy. Okay, she has given candy to the little boy. This is the indirect object and a candy is the direct object in this sentence. Students, now we will see the structure of the noun phrase. Here is the example. The cute baby is laughing. The cute baby. Okay, the cute baby is the noun phrase here. So you see, the is the determiner, cute is the adjective, and head noun is the baby. Okay, next you see, I have read his first 3 books. Okay, so his first 3 books, you see, is the noun phrase. So his, it indicates ownership. Okay, you see, possessorship. Then first is the ordinal number, 3 is the cardinal number, then head noun is the book. Students, next example you see, many extremely beautiful pictures are here. You can see the picture of 2 birds here. Many extremely beautiful pictures. Okay, so many is the quantifier. Okay, then you see extremely beautiful. You see extremely beautiful. Okay, extremely is intensifier. Okay, then you see adjective. Beautiful is the adjective and head noun is the picture. Students, next example you see, all the girls are eating in a vegetarian restaurant. Okay, all the girls, you see here at the beginning we see all the girls. Okay, so all is predeterminer, then the is determiner, the girls are noun. Okay, next you see, all the girls are eating in a vegetarian restaurant. So a vegetarian restaurant is the noun phrase in the sentence. So a is the, we have read about the article, isn't it? So determiner, then vegetarian is the classifier here, and something new you are learning here now about the classifier. Then the restaurant is the head noun. Okay, so you see here, a classifier is a noun which functions as an adjective. Okay, so here you can see, students, vegetarian is the classifier. Okay, which functions, it is a noun which functions as an adjective. So dear students, next we see, note that all these predeterminers have of constructions which are optional with nouns and obligatory bracket compulsory with personal pronouns. Now you see the examples are given here, students. You see of optional with nouns. So you can see here 3 examples are given, students. All of the boys. Okay, so if we don't write of here, then it will be we cannot say that it will be wrong. Okay, it will be correct. All the boys also we can write. Okay, both of the players, we can also write both the players. Okay, half half of the time, both we can write. Okay, you see here. Next, of obligatory with personal nouns. You can see here, student, the meaning is given, obligatory meaning is given here, compulsory. Okay, so of we cannot omit here, we must write of here. Okay, all of them, both of us. Okay, none of them or none of you. Yes, dear students, as I told you that at the end we will have some question answer. Here is a question for you. Okay, so rearrange the words to make a noun. Okay, rearrange the words to make a noun phrase. So first question you can see, first books his 10. Yes. The Hijira school answer this question. First
His first
question.
10 book.
His
His
first
first
10 books.
10 books.
Yes, you see. Okay, his first 10 books is books. Yes, that is correct. Okay, his first 10 books. Next you see the second question. Okay, big the boys tree. Yes, next school. Is the Hijira school? Can you answer this question?
The 3 big boys.
Yes, absolutely correct. Very good. The answer is the yes, correct. Next question you see, the planes 5 first.
The first 5 plants. Sorry.
Yes.
The first 5 plants.
Yes. Yes, the first 5 planes. Yes, correct. Next you see her sarees beautiful all. Change करो तो इसको. Yes, her sarees beautiful all. Yes, Bhedabhal school.
All here beautiful sarees.
Yes, correct.
All here
All.
beautiful sarees.
All her beautiful sarees. So students, you can see the answer is given again here. Okay, so the answer you see, his first 10 books. Those who have not written, write it down. Okay, the 3 big boys, the first 5 planes. Okay, all her beautiful sarees. Next you see nice. Next question number 5. Nice a movie very. Gopabandhu High School answer.
A very nice movie.
Yes, correct. A very nice movie. Next you see question number 6. Very voice innocent young.
Young boy very
Gopabandhu High School.
innocent. Young boy very innocent.
Young boy very innocent. No, no.
Young
no.
boy very innocent.
No, no, that is wrong answer. Okay, very innocent young boys. Yes, absolutely correct. Okay, so you see, very
Those
innocent young
seven
boys.
famous music schools. Those seven famous music
Okay, those
schools.
7 famous music schools. Yes, absolutely right. Okay, very good. Next you see question number 8. Old the man silly. Yes, answer this question.
The silly old
The
man.
silly old man. The silly old
Yes,
man.
yes,
The silly old
man.
man.
Yes, I heard the answer. Very
The
good.
silly kuchi.
The silly old man is the answer. Very good, students. So, dear students, next we see here the homework is given to you. Okay. So, spot the noun phrases in the following sentences, then identify the determiners. Okay. So, 5 questions are given to you. That silly donkey is away. Second question, those people are busy.
Thank
Okay.
you, madam.
Third is have pity on the starving child. Next you see all of you can do the sum. The fifth question, the little girl is always talking. So students, dear students, you do all this homework and you can show the answers to your subject teacher and they will so that they will guide you. Thank you.